This is one of the easiest and fun crafts ever, and guess what? I made this with my gilly. This took me less than 10 minutes to make. I'm so super excited about it, and guess what? It's a nice and simple project for little ones. If you have kids around, invite them in and let's make this together. So this is the material I'll be using. I've had this gele for long lying around, so I decided to use it. So it measures 16 inches by 45 inches. Go ahead and use whatever measurement you like for yours. With the wrong side facing the wrong side, measure and fold half an inch across the width and sew that down. You can use your needle and thread or a sewing machine for this project. After sewing, give it a good press and then fold it into three, just like this, with the right side facing the right side. Depending on the amount of material you have, you can just fold it into two and sew. But because we are making a pocket throw pillow, we'll be folding it by three, and when we are okay with how it is looking, we'll pin it down and sew. If you're not subscribed to this channel yet and you love DIYs, please that subscribe button, go ahead and subscribe now, because we like people like you. We cannot love DIY and not be connected. So connect with me by joining this family. Will I ever drop a video without thanking you, especially my old subscribers, for always coming back again and again on this channel and for helping me grow this YouTube channel. I really appreciate you guys. And I hope you are all doing good. This is the part the kids loved the most. You can sew a small case and fill it up with fiber and then place it inside this pocket below, or you just fill it up like this. Because we are keeping it very simple, we are filling it up just like this. Just make sure you evenly fill it with the fiber and make sure everything is nice and good, not too full and hard and not too scanty. Can you see how simple this DIY is? In less than 10 minutes, our DIY pillows are ready, looking all nice and good. Remember to leave your notification bell on so that whenever I upload a new tutorial on this channel, you'll be notified. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like. Let me know if you will be trying it out, and also don't forget to share. Take care of yourself. Bye.